Looking at Cricket Wireless? This review covers everything you need to know. Product links are down below. Cricket Wireless, owned by AT&T, offers budget-friendly prepaid plans with nationwide coverage. Perfect for anyone wanting reliable service without contracts or credit checks. Plans start at just $30 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data. Premium plans offer perks like 5G, mobile hotspot data, and international calling. Cricket uses AT&T's network, meaning great coverage across the US. However, data speeds can be slower during congestion. While Cricket users have lower priority than AT&T postpaid customers, speeds are usually fine for streaming, browsing, and social media. Cricket's perfect for budget-minded individuals, families, and anyone who prefers prepaid flexibility. Family plans offer up to 5 lines with big discounts. Plus, taxes and fees are included in the advertised price, no surprises. Customer service is available online, by phone, or in Cricket stores, though experiences can vary. One drawback? No high-end phone financing. So, Cricket Wireless offers solid value and a reliable, contract-free plan. Used Cricket? Share your experience in the comments. More details in the description below.